So, another way that the state can word these questions, and it's more typical because it requires more steps, is to say that a broker's listing agreement is 7% on the sell price. They have an MLS agreement of 50-50 split between the listing brokerage and the buying brokerage. Now, the property sells for $100,000. How much is earned by each of the offices? Here are the steps. Now, the first half of this is fairly simple. We have $100,000 times 7%, or 0.07, comes to a clean $7,000. Now, we have to split this in half because the brokerage listing agreement was 50-50. Now, you can do this multiple ways. You can either multiply by 0.5, divide by 2. I don't care how you half things. Whatever you're more comfortable with is what you should be doing. But anyways, half of 7,000 is 3,500. Now, the commission is negotiated between each sales associate, their brokers, taking into consideration the associate's experience and levels of production. Usually when you're new, you get smaller numbers. So assume that a sales associate gets to keep 60% of the commission. On the previous example, how much would they have been paid? So here's what we do. Now we know that each office got $3,500. If the sales associate for either office, it really doesn't matter because it's 50-50, gets 60% of what comes into the brokerage, then we'll take the $3,500 and split it again, this time by 60%, or 0.6. Multiply it. That gives us $2,100 that goes to the sales associate. Now, when it comes to finding the amount that goes to the broker, you can either subtract the $2,100 from the $3,500, or take the $3,500 and multiply it by 40%, whichever one, again, you are more comfortable with. It'll make more sense to you the more you do the problem. Or maybe you're not math deficient and it makes perfectly good sense to you.